What's up, YouTube? I've been talking about extended stay hotels and the extended stay rentals for a long time now. One of the questions I get most is, how do you know that you can run a profitable extended stay rental? And I tell people to go take a look at their local extended stay hotel. Here's my Extended Stay America right over there. And let's go drive the parking lot and see the potential right in the middle of the day. You drive the parking lot of your local extended stay hotel and you'll see that there are a lot of cars in the parking lot. And this is during the day. There's going to be even more at night. But you can see these are your opportunities to house somebody that's looking for an extended stay rental. This is how you do it. Okay, so how do you know where to find these extended stay hotels with kitchenettes in them? Well, I tell people to go to Google Maps, and type in extended stay hotel and the name of the city. I'm in Sacramento, California, so I'm going to do a Google Maps search for extended stay hotel Sacramento. And this is what comes up. You can see a map and it shows where the locations of these hotels with kitchenettes are in there that do longer term stays. Here's a closer look at it. So my job from here is to count up the number of extended stay hotels and also classify how many different brands there are. And this is what I come up with. In Sacramento, California, there are 6 extended stay Americas, 4 residence inn, and 2 town place suites, and a whole bunch of others. But I definitely should be looking at the top 3 because there's something going on. I need to take a closer look. Why are there 6 extended stay Americas in my town? That's a good question. But looking at this, there's no question that extended stays are viable in Sacramento, California. If you just have 1 or 2 extended stay hotels, that tells you that you too will be successful if you price yourself near them and learn how to market. Okay, so extended stay America, there's 6 of them. They're clearly the dominant. What I need to do is get on the phone with them, ask them for what it costs to stay for 2 months, and that's going to give me the best pricing. Okay, then I'm going to take that 2-month quote that they give me and divide it in half so I get their best monthly rate. Now that is the actual rate that people are paying. Okay, so instead of looking at what Airdna.co is telling you about a historical trend of Airbnb hosts and VRBO hosts, okay, I'm looking at what actually is happening right now, what's current, by calling a extended stay hotel. If that's the pathway you're going, call them. Okay, so try to compete on the varsity team instead of the freshman team. Try to compete against the extended stay hotels that are currently in your town. Okay, that's it. You don't need to look at Airdna.co if you're evaluating extended stay opportunities for you. It is helpful, but there's a better way. So do this for a foolproof way to see if you have extended stay rental potential. If you could be making an additional $500 per month within the next 30 days, you do this. You determine if there's any extended stay hotels in your town because they've already done the research. And then you drive their parking lot and see if they have any business. Okay? If you can't find a place to park, if they got so many people there that you can't park, then you should be up and going. All right? Now, I hope that helps you. My name is Al Williamson. I'm with leadinglandlord.com. If you want more tips on how you can maximize your rental's income potential and reduce expenses, then subscribe to this channel.